Hi everybody, I'm Grady with MAXCases. Today we're going to go over the installation of our new Extreme Shell-L for HP Chromebook 11-inch, both the G8 and the G9 version. I have the device here. We just took it out of the box actually, fresh device. And so we're going to unwrap the Extreme Shell-L. Going to open this up on both. Here's the sequencing of the install. What I like to do is kind of keep it flat like that. I'm going to get the device, and what we're going to do is we're going to install the top part. This is the screen side first, and then after that we're going to install the bottom. So just so everyone can get a good look at this. So essentially there is 1, 2, 3 clips on the top, 1, 2 on the sides, 1, 2 on the alternate side. There's also 2 very small and kind of a ridge at the bottom. So the easiest way to do this is I just kind of put this right up into the corner like this to where I'm pushing kind of at an angle down. So I'm going to just insert the device underneath this clip and also this clip over here on the left side. So those are already on. I'm going to push up all the way as far as I can to make sure that these clips now, 1, 2, 3, they're already underneath the device and attached. Once I do that, then I'm just going to go to the side, the right side here, and just a real firm push, and then the bottom right there, firm push, 2 thumbs, and there you go. We have all the clips all the way around. The one thing we haven't done yet is really look at the bottom, and that's sometimes I think people forget to even look at the bottom. They think, oh, it's on, it's good. What I want to show is that now here at the bottom, you can see the clip here, you can see the clip here. We want to give a little squeeze there. You see how that kind of got over? Then I can kind of follow the case along like that, and then that last clip comes into play. So now we've got the entire top lid is on at that point. Now the bottom really seems easy, and most people never have a problem with the bottom, but there is a sequence for the bottom as well. What I want to do, or what the proper way to do this is you really want to focus on not worry about the sides or worry about the front at all. Because the way that it seeds, we really want to focus on that back clip there, and we really want to focus on the back clip over on the other side, right there. And we want to make sure those are on and good before we start pushing on the other clips. Because what's going to happen is, once we start to push these clips down and also the clips in the front, that's going to pull these back pieces really into the place they need to be. So I want to make sure those are on first before I do anything else. And actually, even putting that back clip on, what happened, you can see, is that this side clip just kind of fell on by itself. So I didn't really want that to happen. So I'm going to undo that piece just to make sure that my back clip on both sides is on really nice. Now if I just go forward, right, I'm just going to gently push. These just slide right in on the side. And then this is really the important part, is here on the front here. When I go to pull these up, it's going to pull the whole case forward. Right there, you can hear that. And that's going to kind of really seed those back ones perfectly, just the way they should be. So that's your install. What I like to do, just to double, triple check, close the device. I usually go all the way around, kind of with a quick little squeeze everywhere. I know I did everything right, so I'm not going to hear any extra on there, but I just want to double check. There you can see now, you've got your logo, your Chromebook, you got full visibility here on the bottom if you have any kind of barcode, asset tag, whatever it may be. Really good looking case, and obviously now you have full protection there. So that's the install.